Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you a tarot reading for the month of October. It's going to be for the Aquarians, the Kumbh Rashi. Let's see what's in store for you. Your energy for the month of October 2020 is happy family. Now, I see that in the month of October, you definitely are going to look for some kind of family happy, like a family setup where you might be wanting to expand your family, or you're looking for maybe a commitment, a long-term commitment, marriage, and this is your energy. So I feel that maybe you'll be taking steps towards it, and you'll be also successful in this. So this is what I understand for the month of October. I also see the card coming, which is the Wheel of Fortune coming for you, and this is also your love and commitment card for the month of October. I see that um, you because you've got the Wheel of Fortune, I see that good luck is on your side, and you are going to make efforts. Maybe something is going to end for you, and a new relationship might start for you from the month of October. And I also see that you're going to be very flexible in your love life and in your commitment with whoever you want to be with. I also see that a lot of opportunities, a lot of proposals coming for you in the month of October, and you're definitely going to go forward, because I see your energy as the happy family coming for you. So I see that overall you are going to proceed further, and you're going to make your changes, and you're going to um, get that good luck. Or maybe if you're not having that good luck, or you're not having that luck on your side, maybe in the month of October you're definitely going to go ahead in your love life or committed life. Now I'm going to also give you your career and finance card for the month of October 2020. I see the Temperance card coming for you. Okay, this card is, it's an advice type of a card where you are you have to be very much like like you need to balance your emotions. If things are not going out, if things are not happening well for you outside, you need to still stay calm, and you need to still maybe balance yourself in a way, like keep your emotions and your inner self intact, so that your energy, whatever you are feeling inside, whatever you're thinking inside, definitely affects the situation outside. So if you are finding some kind of things are not going your way, the only advice the Temperance card tells us is that you need to just keep yourself calm, and you need to keep yourself like, I'm going to stay harmonious, and I'm going to stay perfectly positive, and I'm not going to get affected by what is happening outside. I'm going to do my work, and I'm going to do my work well, and I know things will change, definitely change outside for me, and my energy definitely will change whatever is not happening correctly outside. So you're advised to keep your just stay positive, okay? And that is what I would say in the month of October for you, Aquarians. And lastly, I have the card of work coming for you in the month of October. I do complete work, I tie up loose ends, follow through on projects, and enjoy the feeling that comes from a work job well done. So this card is definitely giving us a message that if you have some pending work that you wanted to do, maybe you were thinking, okay, how should I complete it? Definitely in the month of October, I see that you might be going ahead. Maybe as your other cards are telling me, maybe you want to just proceed, you want to go ahead in your life, and maybe complete what is not it's still pending. So this is what I understand in your work life for the month of October 2020. This was your reading, Aquarians, for the month of October 2020. If this has if the reading has benefited you in some way, you can always subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment, You can also like my channel and of course leave a comment, as I said. So till then, take care of yourself. See you in the month of November 2020. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.